Go get a glass.
Alright. Cold ass glass.
Looks like it still got too much pressure. You gotta stop it early because remember it's gonna foam a lot. That doesn't look too bad.
Not too bad. Too bad at all. Alright.
Now it should be cold as fuck, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. It is a lot ahead.
Oh yeah. Stand by the fastenal. The blue screen.
Fastenal, what is that?
Then we'll
sponsoring us and shit?
we'll fucking a blue screen and a giant cock.
Right now? We doing this?
Yeah. Is it flat? Is it good?
It's fucking delicious.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's
Done.
It's fucking delicious.
Looks delicious.